Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Thrive Provisions. This is the Alberta Beef Wagyu, and this flavor is chorizo. I've tried the other flavor before. I've tried the lime and the pepper lime, and then I tried the maple blueberry. I like the so far my favorite is still the maple blueberry, but I'm gonna try this one. I never tried this one yet, and let's see how this one tastes. There's ingredients: Wagyu beef, dates, honey, spices, citric acid, celery powder, and smoke. So let's try this one out. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, there it is. It's kind of oily. This one is really kind of oily compared to the other ones, but it does have a nice smoke smell. So let's try this out. Wow, it's spicy. Wow. Very spicy. I thought the pepper one was hot. This is hot. So, yeah, it's pretty hot. It's got a kick for sure. My mouth is not totally burning yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, so for me, the maple blueberry one is the best out of all of them. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.